So I had Sculptra done, had my cheeks lifted and some filler put in through here and through the chin. And I also had my lips done with Kysse. And every day after I had that done, I would wake up in the morning and was stunned. It was beautiful, excellent. Love it. It's beautiful.
I'm so happy. How was the experience of getting it?
Very comfortable. Very comfortable. So I want to say thank you. Your blockers worked because I need a lot of numbing and blocking. It was worth it. So, and then after I was done, about 30 minutes later, when I was driving home, I could feel the numbness start to release itself, and I was fine that night. So,
wonderful.
Yeah.
And was it hard to keep massaging the Sculptra? Was that
No, and I did that religiously 3 to 4 times a day. And I'd actually put my own little serum of oil, and I would massage, as you showed me, down through here and up through there.
Your skin looks amazing. So that's been only really 4 weeks.
Yes.
Or not even. So it's going to keep on giving. Sculptra continues to work for another 6 months.
That's great, because I have a big wedding of a friend to go to, so
Wonderful.
in April.
Thank you for sharing. You look amazing.
Thanks.